I've got the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, and today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect these to your Android phone. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is, first of all, go to the Google Play Store and find the Xiaomi Earbuds app. So make sure it's installed and updated on your Android phone. Having done that, launch the app. And then, of course, if it's the first time, you have to agree to terms and conditions. So let's go and check that. And you don't have to check the second one. Tap on agree and you should be good to go. Now, sometimes it does give you problems if your region is not set to China mainland. Okay, so depending on what operating system you're using, I know for iPhones it does give you headache. So for this one, I want to go and also select China. So I'm just gonna go and select China. Now, for some people, it doesn't have to be China. It does work in any country, but for iPhone specifically, it does give you problems. Now, I'm on Android. I'm just gonna go and select that. We have, do we want firmware updates automatically? I'll tap on next, noise cancellation, all that stuff, next, and then tap on start. Now, it's gonna I'll ask for permission to connect and determine relative position of nearby devices. You're gonna have to allow that. And then now it's time to add your earbuds. So just open up the case next to your earbuds and then tap on add earphones and then tap on agree and then tap on while using app. In case it asks for location permission, you can say while using the app. And as you can see, our earbuds have already been detected. So you can tap on that and then it's gonna attempt to connect. Bluetooth pairing request. So tap on pair and it should connect via Bluetooth and you are good to go. You have actually successfully connected the Redmi Buds 6 Pro to your Android phone. Now, you can also save this to your Google account so that any other Android device you have with this Google account can automatically connect to the Redmi Buds 6 Pro. I'm gonna opt out of that for now, but that is basically how to connect together with the app as well. The full setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.